Hey guys, it's Aaron here. So we have a guest. Yep. Oh, snappers. So this guy, what was his name? Loreto. Loreto. For English. Roberto.
No, look at me. Loreto.
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 Yeah.
Yes. Loreto.
Yeah, so what parrot is she? Is it she?
It's
You wanna say hi to the camera? Luckily, he managed to trust me when I was sitting around here. He was coming close.
He'd rather take pictures than talk to the camera.
Yeah. See, he likes me. Who's a bird right now? I am. Oh, yikes. So, it's basically someone's birthday passed. I hope you guys are doing good. He's trying to make sure I don't have any things on my hair. So I'm actually kind of grateful for that.
Yeah.
This is actually the first time this is happening to me. Yikes. These are those birds that can make people comic. So it looks like it's a shame. I was sitting down, looking at her, and when she decided to come up close, I was pretty scared at first. I think he doesn't want to be shown the camera. Oh, there we go. Wait, can we? Ow. So, I just wanted to, that's what I want to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed the video and say bye for y'all. Ferretto. Bye. I think this one let to be seen in the camera. Bye. Bye. Not done yet, people. This is how it got on me. I say he likes me. I'll try to get him on my hand. Okay. Okay, maybe. Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. And shout out to Big Mama, because she makes this cake, delicious cake. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of her making one time lapse. We should do that. So it's someone's birthday. So this is our new family member. Can't speak bird. Careful, please. I hope someday in the future you guys will see more of her. Oh yeah, sure.
Come on, baby.
There we go. And now Jade's has the birdie. It looks like this birdie has the high ground. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget, I'm having a surprise for all of you fans. I have a surprise for all you fans, guys. Stay tuned for in this summer. I hope it comes, but something is going to be awesome. So, bye. Say bye, Fairlou. Loretto. Someone had an accident.
Pick it up.
Where is it? Oh no, someone had an accident. Oh, let's hope we get some likes on this.
Yes, it's not.
Lizzie,
Aaron!
what, get her off? Okay.
No, I got it.
Here, have the napkin. If we had a naughty party. Naughty birdie, come here. Come here.
No. Aaron!
What?
Leave him.
Is it a boy or a girl?
He's a baby.
Is it a boy or a girl, Jade?
I don't know.
Oh.
He's a boy.
No one does.
But he's a baby. He's a baby. Why has it?
Someone had an accident.
For all I know, this bird is stubborn.
Someone's not happy.
The bird is happy.
Let me know if you guys want to see more of him or her.
Come on.
Okay,
I got it.
give him time. Alright, let's see you guys in another video.
Abre los ojos, güey. Mira.
Now this is gorgeous. Happy birthday to you and you.
Not
Oh.
the one.
You and the one over there.